Hey, it's Mitchtram here. I got my charcoal chimney here. This is my favorite way to start a fire. So simple. You just pour charcoal in it, and you can put as much as you need in there and fill it to the top, maybe halfway, just depending on how much fire you really need. It's a great way to get your bed of coals started. And all you really have to do, pour your charcoal in there, you take yourself some paper like this, you stuff it in the bottom, and then I just put it inside my firebox. Like that. Then we're gonna take our fire starter, we're gonna come over here, and we're gonna light this thing up. Got it going. It's gonna take probably 15 to 20 minutes to get started, and then we'll dump the coals out. We'll take a look at that. But the great thing about this is you don't have to worry about charcoal starter. All you need is some paper and some charcoal, and you can get your bed of coals started. Super easy. We'll be back in just a minute when we dump it out and take a look at what the bed of coals that it makes. Okay, so how do you know that your charcoal chimney is ready? It really kind of depends. I like to dump mine when it's about 3/4 of the way done, meaning that not every coal is covered in white ash yet. And let's take a look. So you can see on top right there, there's a little bit right there. But I normally kind of take a look at the side here and see how you can see ash all the way up to about right there. So it's about 3/4 of the way up. So that's when I decide that it's about time to dump it. Some people will let it completely turn to white ash, and that's okay too, but I like to have it not quite totally covered. All right. So first thing I did is I put my welder's gloves on, and that's a tip for you guys. If you don't know, buy yourself a set of welder's gloves to maintain your pit. Welder's gloves are great for this. Keep you from getting burned, like if I'm moving wood or anything else around. All right, so we're just gonna take this guy, and we're just gonna dump it in here slowly. And you don't want to dump it too fast because you can cause those sparks and ash to go everywhere. So you kind of dump it in there nice and slow. Here's what it looks like. And then here's another tip. If you need to start another charcoal chimney, you can just take your welder's gloves, grab a couple of coals, drop them in there into your charcoal chimney, pour more charcoal on top, and that'll start you a whole nother set going. But I've got a nice coal bed here so I can heat my pit up to temp. I'm gonna throw a little wood on here, and we're gonna get this thing up to temp so we can cook today. But that's really all there is to a charcoal chimney. Like I said, my favorite way to get charcoal started. It's consistent, it's easy to do, and it doesn't require any fancy tools. Just a charcoal chimney, something to light it with, and some paper. Let me know if you guys use a charcoal chimney, what you think about it. And we'll see you on the next one.